Hi, this is Jahangir from Digital Expert. Today I will discuss about why every business need a professional website in 2025, your digital front door to growth. Common misconception is most businesses owners think a website is just for sales or bookings. But in reality, your website is much more. The digital front door in 2025, your website is the digital front door of your business. For e-commerce, it's your digital shopfront. First impressions matter. When people search your name, your website is the first thing they judge. A poor design or slow site means lost customers instantly, right? Why UX matters, why UX matters. A website isn't just about looking good. UI UX makes it simple, clear, and easy for visitors to action. Functionality drives trust. Fast loading, smooth navigation, and working features trust. Without this, people leave and never come back. UI UX conversions. Bad design is like a messy store. Good design guides visitors to book, call, or buy. Uh, why 2025 is different? Customers now expect shameless online experience. If your website isn't professional, they will go to your competitors. Very important thing. Investment, no expense. A professional website pays you back daily. It builds trust, breeds growth, and sets you apart. The closing message is your website is more than sales, it's your identity online. Make it professional, make it work for you. So actually, the website is very important based on your industry. Like you can have a healthcare, you can have hospital website, you can have a clinic website, dental website, any industry. So first of all, we prefer that shoot a professional design. Like you can start with UI UX design when then you can see before development you can see how website would look. You can adjustment everything, the color combination, font, image, text, everything. Then we recommend to go development, and you should add necessary all sections on the home page and necessary all page should on the navigation, and you should take call to action every place like header area, hero section, and middle of the section like call to action section, and everything is depend based on your businesses. So that should first of all need to research, then should start development to your website and full business strategy like social media uh, and other all things. That's it. Thank you. That's it for today.